misconceptions there is out there is a lot of contractors will say they give a lifetime warranty, and in reality it's usually the manufacturer's warranty that they're all alluding to. And the problem with that is if you don't follow all of the manufacturer specs and do everything exactly the right way, that warranty is null and void. And so a lot of homeowners don't understand that there are a lot of things that have to happen in order for them to actually have the warranty that they think they do. On top of that, this lifetime warranty is usually only for materials. It doesn't cover the labor. One thing with M&M, we actually have lifetime warranties from all of our partners on the manufacturing side, whether that be Owens Corning or for any other manufacturer that we work with. The biggest differentiator for us is we include lifetime warranties on our replacement labor as well.